Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm finally filming my Sephora haul. Honestly, I was not lazy. It just took a really long time to come in, which obviously you cannot blame them at this point in time. The fact that they're getting the orders out there is a big deal. So all of my stuff is finally here and I'm super excited to share it with you guys, especially because I haven't touched any of it. I mean, maybe one or two products. I mean, you can't blame me. But most of it I haven't touched yet because I wanted to show it to you guys straight out of the packaging. And let's start. I'm so excited. Oh my god. But as always, though, before we start, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. Definitely hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. And do follow me on Instagram. This is my handle right here, somewhere here. Because I do a lot of mini tutorials and tips and tricks and things like that on there. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you don't already. Let's start. So first things first, some skincare, which is one of the things that I did start to use. This right here is like a trial size set of the micronutrient vitamin C CEO Serum Plus Glow. So basically it's like a vitamin C serum and oil from the brand Sunday Riley. The set right here cost $29 and I've been wanting to add a vitamin C serum to my skincare and I've always wanted to try Sunday Riley. Now the full set of this serum, the full size of this serum costs $112. Too expensive. So when I saw that this had like a mini trial size, I decided I wanted to try it and I'm so happy that I did because it's been about 15 days that I have been using this and trust me, my skin has transformed. Like I can't believe I did not order the full size, which really sucks. But I don't think I can afford the $112 right now, especially after this haul right here. But basically, point being that if you are looking for a vitamin C serum, I can vouch for this one. It is freaking fantastic. But that doesn't mean that I'm left high and dry when it comes to my vitamin C serums. So this is a super expensive product right there, $112, right? Expensive. But I totally cheaped out and called for this one, which is the Ordinary Vitamin C Suspension. I don't know why I said vitamin C suspension. This one was for a mere $6. So this is a vitamin C ordinary serum. So I figured that when I run out of this one, I am gonna need something. So which is why I ordered this one. And to be honest, I really wanted to test out like super expensive versus like super cheap and which one's good. This one now I know after using is bloody amazing. So now it's time to test this one out. As you can see, it's not even out of the package, but basically it's like this tube like packaging right here. I haven't tried it yet. I'm excited to try it. It's got mixed reviews on the Sephora website itself. Some of them said it really helped them, some of them said it didn't do anything at all. So I'm really excited to see how it works for me. By the way, I just want to point out and say that this by far has been the best haul ever, best Sephora haul ever. And do you want to know why? It's because the rewards that I wanted were actually available. That's right. If you're a regular Sephora shopper, you will know that this is a big deal. Their rewards were actually available when I shopped, and I shopped basically at 12:01 the day the sale started because I wanted to get my hands on one thing that I had a feeling would sell out. It didn't, but still. But doing that helped me because I literally got every single reward that I wanted. I didn't have to settle for any of the rewards, and that is a big deal. Moving on, so since we're talking about skincare, I gave in and I bought the YoGlow by Wishful Skin, which I'm probably sure all of you know is Huda Beauty's skincare brand, and this is her first product. Once again, haven't tried it, super excited to try it. I basically just gave into the fad. I gave into people raving about this product. So definitely love skincare, love trying new things. So I had to get this one. I'm actually surprised at myself that I didn't get it earlier. Probably because I was in India when this launched, but excited. Have any of you tried this? I really want to know what you thought about it. Would really like to know. Next up, still skincare. Yes, a lot of my haul right here is skincare. This is something I bought just to indulge because I wanted to pamper myself. These are the Hydra Gel under eye patches from Peter Thomas Roth. It's the cucumber flavor. So I used to have these in the 24 karat gold. I mean, I once found them on a major discount and I bought them. And when my mom was visiting here, I made her try them on and she loved them so much that I just gave her the rest of my box. So I was patchless all of this time. Obviously these are not as expensive as the gold patches. Those are $100. These are $70, and then I got like my Rouge discount on it. So still quite expensive, but like I said, this is just something I used to pamper myself. I mean, there's like 30 pairs in this. I'll probably use this over the next like year or two, easy. I don't think I'm gonna go through 30 pairs really fast because I use this like a chindi, if you know what that means. But yeah, just something to pamper myself with. They are actually really nice. They're cooling, they're depuffing. These are cucumber patches. They just feel really nice. Now moving on to some makeup. I bought the new Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer, which goes hand in hand with the Luminous Silk Foundation. If you guys follow me for a bit, you'll know I really like this foundation. It's medium to sheer coverage. It's exactly what it's called. It's luminous, it's beautiful, it just gives a beautiful glow to the face. And that's what excited me to get this concealer. What I didn't realize though was this concealer also has medium coverage. So it really doesn't do anything much for my dark circles. It probably covers them up to about 50%, and that's about it. So this, by the way, was $49. Probably not worth it now that I think about it, because it just doesn't do what I want a concealer to do for me. The next makeup product is this, also something that I found on sale. This is the Natasha Denona Glow Gold Highlighter Shimmer Duo, and I found this on discount for $33, which is amazing. And it basically, this is the packaging right here, super bougie like Natasha Denona always. And these are the two gold shades in it. Okay, yeah, you can see that. So these are the two gold shades in it. This one's like a lighter gold, whereas this one's like super bronze, if that makes sense. So if I just swatch it right there. Ugh. I hope you can see this, but that's basically what it looks like. Just really nice, really beautiful sheen. I haven't tried this yet. So anyways, that was super gorgeous. I think it's one of my best finds. The next product is also something super exciting. It is the new launch of Velour. This is their Lash and Go, which is basically a liner that is also an eyelash adhesive. So when you apply this liner, it is basically a black liquid liner. You put your lashes on, they stick, and then the liner dries matte. And that's about it. Like, where has this product been all of my life? Like, wow, I'm super excited to try it. So this is what it looks like right here. It basically looks like a liquid lipstick, and it has this like fine liner tip. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, you can. So it has this like fine liner tip, and it's just really exciting. Honestly, I haven't tried it yet. I wonder if it will dry out like eyelash glues usually dry out around the edges and stuff. I mean, there's a lot to see about this product. It's new, it's very innovative, it's super amazing. Like, I mean, I'm surprised something like this didn't come out sooner. Anyways, this is $31 and really not that bad if it works well and doesn't dry out. The next two products are basically brushes, both from Morphe, and I basically just ordered these because I needed some new blending brushes. The bigger one right here is the Morphe M433, and the smaller one is the Morphe M456. Next up, we have two hair products which are basically restocks because I've had them in the past, used them in the past, loved them, finished them, and then have reordered. So the first one is this one right here. This is the Bumble & Bumble Invisible Oil Heat Protective Primer. So basically I wanted something that I can use on dry hair directly before styling, because usually all the heat protectants are to be used on wet hair and then you eventually blow dry and style your hair. So this one can go on directly on dry hair and it works great. It goes that extra mild. It goes that extra mile to soften the hair and Also, it just makes my hair look super shiny after I've styled it, especially wherever I have colored my hair. Next up, we have the IGK dry shampoo, which is the charcoal detox dry shampoo. It is hands down the best dry shampoo I have ever used. So I taken this to India with me, and it was super humid. We were going out every day and had just refreshed my hair color at that point. So my hairstylist told me, do not wash your hair for a minimum of 4 or 5 days. And this is what has taken me through. I mean, I cannot tell you, my hair was as good as new in hot and humid weather. I mean, that is something that is really saying something. So my sister basically stole mine, because that's what sisters do, and that's why when I came here I wanted to restock on it, and I finally did. I mean, when I came here, and I was actually waiting for the spring sale, because I think this is like $29 or $30, and I was waiting for the spring sale because why not. 100% recommended. Best dry shampoo ever. IGK has a lot of kinds, but this specific one, the charcoal detox, is amazing, especially if you have a greasy scalp like mine. So I'm pretty much done with the haul, except for the last and the most important and the most exciting one of them all. Oh my god, you guys, you want to watch this? Ta-ta-da-da! Oh my god, so I am super excited about this one. This is the Dyson Supersonic blow dryer, obviously, but this is a special edition that they had. So believe it or not, I had the Dyson Supersonic in my cart since last year's spring sale, and this is not a joke. I'm serious. It has been in my cart for a year and I didn't order it. I was like, oh my god, it's too expensive. Should I not? Finally this year I caved and I did it, especially because they had this limited edition one. It was actually for Mother's Day. I bought it for myself, even though it was for Mother's Day. But I mean, I'll let my mom use it when she gets here. I mean, it's the same thing, right? I'm sure she would rather me have it, you know, like, why not? Anyways, so talking about the limited edition, talking about this edition, it is, first of all, okay, I'm just gonna put it down. So talking about the limited edition, first of all, it is pink. Oh my god. Yes, that's right. It is a pink Dyson Supersonic. So this is the blow dryer. Oh, okay. So this is the blow dryer right here, and it's just so nice to hold. It's just so handy. All of these that come with it, like, I'm so bad with hair stuff, I don't even know the technical term for this, but all of these extensions that come with it are basically magnetic, so they just snap on so easy. And yeah, so basically I have probably used this at least 8 or 9 times till now, and I absolutely love it. So this limited day edition came with a pink blow dryer. The regular one is gray, and it came with these 2 brushes right here. This one I used to blow dry. It is fantastic, just really nice to hold, perfect size, everything on point, love it. Also pink. And this one right here is a godsend of a brush. Honestly, I comb my hair with this when it is wet, and it just, my knots, it just slides through my knots. And so what the great part about this is that together I got all of these 3 for $4.99, which is the regular price of the Dyson Supersonic, and otherwise these brushes separately would have cost about $90 extra, so that was a big bonus. And a few of you already knew that I had this and asked me, is it worth it? To be honest, if you style your hair every day or every other day, yes, it is 100% worth it. If not, then you probably don't need it. But I do. I style my hair every other day. I need to. So which is why this is a huge plus for me. It's got the heatless technology and all of that blah 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 technology. So yes, if you style your hair every day, every other day, 100% worth the investment. And that was it. That was my entire haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. If you have any questions, if you want any updates on any of the products, just mention it in the comments below and I will let you know. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.